Hi, welcome back again. Now in this video I promised I would give you a rather novel strategy for getting your students' attention, which also has the added effect of maintaining their focus throughout the lesson. Now you can't use this every lesson, but you can certainly use it now and again to great effect. And you can use this either at the door to enhance what we've already done about calming them down at the door and then moving them into the classroom, or you can actually use it just at the start of your lesson. But you'll find the effect runs for the whole of your lesson. Now, if you haven't heard of this before, it's a great strategy. It's called the secret agent. And the way it works is this. First of all, you need to issue your students with a very special little card. Now, I've got one here for you, and you can download this under the video and just photocopy it or print it out. And you cut all the little cards out, and each student gets one card. There's a space there for them to write their name. There's a little picture there of a secret agent, and the heading on it says Secret Agent ID card. Now, this may sound as if it's just for younger students, but believe me, older students right up to students of 16, 17, even 18 will really enjoy this, because the magic is not in the little card and the artwork, it's in the actual strategy and the way you explain what's going to be going on. Because when you give them this card, immediately their curiosity is going to be piqued. Whenever you give students anything out of the ordinary, something that they've never seen before, they immediately think, what's going on? What's this for? So you've got a great opportunity then to get their attention. It gives you the chance to say, I'll tell you what this is about as soon as you're quiet. Or I'll tell you what this is about when you're sat completely silent, facing me with your hands on the desk. Now, they will want to know what this is about because the card does intrigue them, so you've got a very good opportunity there to get them quiet first and foremost, or get their attention. So you can use that in the classroom or outside the door. Now, what you explain to them is this. Each of you is going to have a card with your name on it, and I'm going to get you to put that card in this hat or a suitable container. So you pass that around and you take all the students' cards into one receptacle. And then you say, I'm going to pick one student at random, and I'm not going to tell you who it is. So I'll take one name, one card out of the bag, and I won't tell you who that is. But here's the thing. If this person who is on this card has a good lesson, then the rest of you will be rewarded. So it's down to each of you to have a good lesson. Now, the great thing about this strategy is that it works like magic, okay? They all want to be involved. They all want to get the reward for the rest of the class because there's positive peer pressure there. But also, the great thing is that because you haven't named who that student is, there's no negative peer pressure associated with it at all. So, for instance, if I was to say, Paul, if you have a good lesson this lesson, I'm going to give everybody a class reward. And then if Paul has a bad lesson, everyone's going to be annoyed at Paul. But this way, nobody knows who the secret agent is. So everybody is inclined to try their best, but there's no problem if that person doesn't have a particularly good lesson.